Karan Jekli Live.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today in this video lecture we are going to discuss supertypes and subtypes, or we also call it as generalization and specialization. Normally supertypes and subtypes we call them when we are making ER diagrams. When we are making ER diagrams or when we are designing a database. Okay, and generalization and specialization we call them in case of domain class diagrams. We call them a generalization and specialization when we talk about classes, but basically both the concepts are same. So the way we do it, or the notations which we use to denote generalization and specialization in class diagram may be little different, but basic concepts for generalization, specialization, or super types and subtypes are same. So guys, for the full lecture, all of you stay tuned. So guys, coming to super types. So what are super types? Super types are the generalized entity to which some specialized entries belong to. Okay, so we also call them as generalized entry, or we also call them as generalization. And what are subtypes? Subtypes are when we take some entities from a supertype and keep on adding some specialization to it. Okay, so it becomes subtypes, or we call it as specialization. Okay, so to explain you, we will take one example. Suppose we are in a university or we are in a college. In college, students study, teachers teach them. Other than teacher and students, we also have supporting staff like administration and other non-teaching staff. Okay, generally all the people in college, they belong to one super class called as persons. Whether I'm a teacher or I'm a student or I'm an administrative staff, we all are basically people. Okay, so that is our super type. But when we come to college, some people, they become staff and some becomes students. Some people or some persons, they become staff, they become students. Generally they all are people. Okay, but some specialize as staff and some specialize as student. So one specialization added here. Okay, so when it comes to staff, generally we all are staff, isn't it? Generally we all are staff, whether we are teaching or we are non-teaching, isn't it? We are the college or the university staff. So we have teaching staff and we have non-teaching staff. Similarly, coming to the student, for example, in our university or in our college, we have two main courses which are running. So one is IT, other one is engineering. Okay, so generally all are students, but some specialize as IT students and some specialize as engineering students. See here on the top, super type. This super type has two subtypes. Okay, and this subtypes have further two subtypes, isn't it? And when we keep on going down, we keep on adding some specialized attributes to them. Okay, so till and then we have a special classes. Now similarly in teaching, so teaching staff also of two types, IT staff and engineering staff. Similarly non-teaching staff also, we have support staff, we have administrative staff, admin, and we have non-admin. Okay, similarly when it comes to student, in IT also we have different branches. So some students are networking students, some students are software students, and so on. Similarly in engineering we also have different branches. Some students are mechanical, some students are electrical, and so on. One more specialization added. So generally all our students, generally all are IT students, but some specialize as software students and some specialize as network students. Okay, and similarly all students generally, all IT and engineering generally they are students, but some go for IT specialization, some go for engineering specialization. So guys, when we keep on moving from top to bottom, okay, so we keep on adding more specialized attributes. Okay, so then what do we call it? We call it as subtyping. I will write it here. Subtyping. And when we go from bottom to top, what do we call it as? We call it as super types. Okay, and in class diagrams, what do we call it as? We go from to the bottom to top, we call it as a generalization, and we go to the bottom. As we keep on going down, we keep on adding specialized attributes. What do we call it? We call it as specialization. We call it as specialization. Okay, so generally we all are people. Okay, what is our super type? Our super type is person. Okay, what are our subtypes in the university? Some are students, some are staff. One specialization. So when it comes to staff, some of the staff members are teaching staff, some are non-teaching staff. Okay, so then in the teaching staff, some of the staff members, they belong to IT department, other belong to engineering. You keep on coming down, we will keep on adding specialization. So guys, what do we call it? On the top, we call it as super type or the super classes, and we go down, we call them as subclasses. Or in here or in class diagrams, on the top, what do we call? We call it as generalized classes, generally what we are. Okay, and we go down, we call it as specialized classes. So on the top is generalization, on the bottom is specialization. More but down you go, more specialized classes you will get. More up you will go, more generalized classes you will get. So guys, I hope you understand me. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more and more IT lectures from on the different topics. And all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.